Are you looking for the best PC cases for RTX 3080 and 3090? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best PC cases on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Lian Li PC011 Dynamic. Lian Li PC011 DW011 Dynamic is the best PC case for RTX 3080 and RTX 3090. This case is made of mainly aluminium with a tempered glass panel. It is strong, sturdy, and durable. The 011 series has plenty of space for 120mm fans on the top and bottom, with an extra radiator on the side. In addition, the PC011D Dynamic has no additional steps when removing the panels. This Lian Li PC case is modular, with a removable rear panel that is secured by thumb screws. The Lian Li 011 Dynamic is a relatively good performer when it comes to cooling. It posts a temperature range between 49 to 67 degrees Celsius over ambient. This PC case is compatible with most types of motherboards, that is, EATX, ATX, Micro ATX. There is enough space in the case to house the extra large EATX motherboard. The casing comes with tempered glass on the front and side. Apart from that, it is made of an aluminium frame. This Lian Li PC011 D011 Dynamic PC case has an interesting design and has nice cooling and air circulation vents. Tempered glass panels are removable, allowing for easy cleaning and quick maintenance. This case is extremely flexible as you can easily fit 6 storage drives inside it. Apart from that, you can also add a secondary PSU and a huge GPU. There is enough space to fit RTX 3080 as well as 3090 GPU. The Lian Li 011 Dynamic is not a big tower. The CPU clearance is 155mm and 159mm. It is compatible with 360mm, 280mm, and 240mm radiators. The dimensions of this case are 272mm by 446mm by 445mm. All these features make it perfect for building a high-end PC with RTX 3080 and RTX 3090 GPU. Number 2. Corsair Crystal 680X. Corsair's new 680X RGB is an elegant and stylish computer case for RTX 3080 and RTX 3090. It has a dual-chamber design to help keep the components inside cool and protected. The rear hinges and front magnets are recessed and designed to minimize the risk of damage to the case's interior. The rear chamber is deep and has a filter to keep the cables organized. The 680X RGB is more spacious, making it easier to hide cables and other hardware. The dual-chamber design also allows for the installation of a GPU vertically. It also has plenty of room for fans and radiators. The 680X offers space for up to 7 hard drives, and there's room for a GPU. It is a mid-tower case that supports ATX motherboards. It has CPU clearance of 180mm and GPU clearance of 330mm. The dimensions of the case are 16.65 by 13.54 by 19.88 inches, and it weighs 11.6 kilograms. The Corsair Crystal Series 680X RGB computer case features 3 glass panels on the front and side. It also has a hinged top panel and a hinged side panel. The top panel has 4 thumb screws for secure closing. In addition to the 3 glass panels, the Crystal 680X features a USB 3.1 Type-C port, 2 USB 3.0 ports, an audio combo jack, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and power and reset buttons on the left and right sides. It comes with 3 LL120 RGB 120mm fans to maintain proper airflow. The Corsair Crystal 680X RGB is a striking piece of hardware. Its sleek and stylish design is sure to catch eyes wherever it goes. The case is cube style with smoked tempered glass flanking the front airflow openings. It also has RGB capabilities for viewing your components. Corsair makes an effort to attract liquid cooling enthusiasts with the Crystal 680X RGB. Number 3. Thermaltake Tower 900. If you are in the market for a high-end gaming system, then Thermaltake's Tower 900 computer chassis is worth considering. This case supports motherboards up to standard RTX, Tower CPU coolers up to 260mm in height, and multi-GPU configurations up to 400mm. Its 1+6+2 modular drive bay design gives you the best of both worlds. Maximum interior space and proper cable management. All these features make it the premium choice for RTX 3080 and 3090 GPU. The Tower 900 is designed by Thermaltake with collaboration from Watermed, France. The tower supports a vertical mounting design and has 5mm tempered glass panels for a clear view of your PC hardware. Moreover, the Tower 900 is compatible with massive custom liquid cooling systems. This tower supports up to 8 3.5 inches hard drives and 16 GB of memory. The Thermaltake Tower 900 computer chassis is available in 2 versions. The standard model comes with a PSU, but you may want to upgrade to a higher specification model if you need extra space for other components. The Thermaltake Tower 900 computer chassis is compatible with many different models of notebook PCs, so it is worth considering buying one that works perfectly for your needs. It is compatible with Mini ITX, Microvax, ATX, and EATX motherboards. The dimensions of the case are 16.7 inches WX 19 inches DX 29.6 inches H. It is heavier than other cases, weighing 54 pounds. You can enjoy I/O port USB 3.0x4 and HD audio X1 connectivity with this case. Overall, it is a perfect case for building a PC with RTX 3080 or 3090 GPUs. Number 4. Corsair 4000D Airflow. The Corsair 4000D Airflow is a mid-tower ATX PC case with a tempered glass panel, a built-in PSU shroud, and a cable routing channel. The case is reasonably quiet and offers decent cooling performance. It even comes with a mesh front panel to prevent dust from entering your system. If you are looking for a PC case to accommodate RTX 3080 or 3090 graphics card, this case is perfect. This case is easy to assemble and disassemble. Snaps on the sides hold the front panel in place. You can reattach them easily, and the panel should slide out neatly. The dimensions of this case are 17.83 by 9.06 by 18.35 inches, and its weight is 7,850 grams. It is compatible with extended ATX, ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards. The Corsair 4000D comes with a cable routing channel. The cable trays on the front and back panels can be removed easily to access cables. There is 25mm of space behind the motherboard for extra room for cables. If you're looking for a high-quality, inexpensive ATX PC case, the Corsair 4000D may be the right option for your needs. It comes with Corsair 120mm air guide fans to maintain proper cooling. You can easily fit 6 by 120mm and 4 by 140mm cooling fans in this case. Apart from that, it can also accommodate 360mm in front and 280mm radiators. In addition, the Corsair 4000D Airflow is also equipped with a drive cage. The case supports both 3.5-inch and 2.5-inch drives, and the drive cage accommodates both. The case also includes a fan controller box and a Velcro cable channel that sits alongside a cutout for cables. You will get many ports in this case, that is, a USB 3.1 Type-C port, USB 3.0 port, and audio/microphone jack. It is a budget-friendly case for RTX 3080 and 3090. Number 5. ROG Strix Helios GX601. Asus ROG Strix Helios is a high-end mid-tower computer case from Asus. It features three 4mm thick smoked tempered glass panels, a refined aluminium frame, and integrated front panel RGB lighting. Other notable features include built-in cable management and a multifunction cover with GPU braces. The case is ready for RTX motherboards and serious water cooling setups. There is space for 9 storage drives in this case. The design is a massive eye-catcher, which we think is what makes the Helios stand out from the pack. The case features excellent cable management, tempered glass side panels, front panels, and ROG-style styling. A slew of useful accessories, like a USB-C port and 2 additional USB ports, fit neatly into the case's front panel. This panel slides out to allow access to the RTX motherboard and other components. This panel also features an illuminated ROG logo. There is also an addressable header for connecting audio equipment. It includes 4 140mm fans with 1400 RPM. The Asus ROG Strix Helios RGB is a stylish, high-end computer case from Asus. The case features 3 sides of tempered glass, aura-sync RGB lighting, and black brushed aluminium. It's designed to accommodate massive hardware, including RTX motherboards and huge graphics cards. The Asus ROG Strix Helios has plenty of room to install a large radiator.